Hi, folks. I'm best-selling author and certified tax specialist Navy Dowdy. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we're going to talk about the three coming financial tidal waves. The story is I was sitting in a little cafe in New Zealand back early in 2016 and looking out the back window. I saw two things that really prompted me to start this channel. Number one, there was a pond back there in the back, and floating on the pond were two black swans. Reminded me, of course, of the Nassim Taleb's incomparable, fabulous book, The Black Swan. Not the one about the ballerina. This is the one about the financial black swans. You'll hear that term every now and then. Those of you that have been in my office know that I took a picture of that scene and had a painting made, and that's hanging on my office wall as you walk in. The other thing that I saw behind that was the waves crashing in. Big waves. It was high tide. And I got thinking, there are coming financial tidal waves. There are three of them. Here they are. Tell me what you think. Rising taxes, rising interest rates, and rising inflation. Back then, this was a theory. Obviously, as I'm recording this, nobody thinks that's a theory anymore because it's in the news every day. Rising inflation and rising interest rates. Also, however, taxes are going up. They're scheduled to go up on January 1st, 2026 if nothing is done. But actually, your taxes are already up. Just look at your property taxes. Tax Freedom Day right now is past the end of April. Think of that. That means that the average American works the first third of the year just to pay for all the government. And the question always is, of course, are we getting what we pay for? Most people say no. However, this channel is not going to be about that debate. It's going to be how do you deal with those coming financial tidal waves. Think of what is happening. There's a confluence that really is the perfect storm coming. Those three tidal waves converging with 78 million baby boomers going into retirement. Nothing like this has ever happened. When you go into retirement, what happens? You stop putting new money into Social Security and Medicare. Your employer stops putting new money for you into Social Security and Medicare. Not only that, you turn around and start taking that money out. Also, you stop putting new money into your retirement account going into the market. And your employer stops putting new money in. And even if you don't want to take it out, the IRS makes you take it out, or you have a huge penalty a few years after you retire. So that confluence of those three tidal waves with 78 million baby boomers going into retirement is a perfect storm coming like we've never had. Now, I don't want to be a doomsayer, everybody that's telling you the world's ending, and just keep this in mind. Usually, the world only ends once. We're America. Nobody's ever made a lot of money betting against America, and I would guess that's not going to happen now. However, when you retire, you have to deal with these coming tidal waves. I put that picture in my best-selling book, now in its second edition, Financial Success for the Smiling Retiree. You can get this book. I would suggest waiting till the holidays, because I'll put it on sale again. Get it at your favorite online retailer or local retailer for that matter. And if you like the content of this channel, just subscribe below. And if you have an urgent, if you're coming into the retirement hot zone, few years before or after retirement, that's the retirement hot zone, you can get on a quick call with me and I'll see if I can help. Click the link below. I'm Navy Dowdy, and remember, financial fitness can be beneficial to your wealth.